In front of me is Realme C51 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Privacy. Now click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Now tap on one of your apps. I will go with Booking.com from Not Allowed section. Now just click on the best option for you in order to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, I can start Booking.com just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always go back. Click on any feature to locate an app that you wish to manage. Like for example, I will go into Phone to access Google Play Store. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those options only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!